My darling wife. Oh, excuse me.
Hello, baby. How are you?
The country is not okay, Honorable.
Are you free? Can we talk?
We will never be free until this government leaves power.
Where is your wife?
As we speak, the masses are with us on this matter.
Can we meet up later?
Oh, sure, why not? We have already fixed a meeting at the campaign office for 5:30 p.m. to dissect this matter properly.
Okay, babe. See you then.
No problem, Honorable. Make sure you mobilize other parliament members to come along.
Continue.
I love you.
Power to the people. Oh my God.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. I'm falling for you.
Why are you running? Why are you running? I don't want peace. I want problems always.
What be this? What be this? Jesus.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Funka. Hey. hear me, to me, but me.
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
How does it feel? How does it feel to be told to shut up?
We've talked about
Let me speak!
Bear with me. You be dentist. Hey. This madness is strong.
Wow, dentistry kills too. I have never seen somebody clean the mouth of where they are going to enter.
It's a meal.
It's not every bear that is Winnie the Pooh. Some of them are revenants. What are you brushing?
What is that?
Did he ask you?
Did he?
Just preparing his enemy's funeral. Are you okay? You think by doing it a favor, it will favor you?
Never.
It will flavor you.
It's a meal.
Wait, he has a co-worker.
You say? Mama Lacoste is back.
She likes it. She really likes it.
Mama Alligator the dentist. Giving deep tissue massage to the statistic maker with her toothbrush.
How?
Why so ready to end it all? Everybody just using toothbrush except on themselves.
Yeah.
Listen, it can never be a human being. Okay, are you okay? It was like, don't tell her my snack is also taking care of my hygiene. Imagine if it was like, okay, thank you for the back scrub. Now it's time to eat. And then you just turned. What will happen? I was in this territory header. Pick a career.
Just one.
If you want to be a dental hygienist, you want to work in a spa, or you want to actually work with animals, pick one.
As in?
Stealing jobs. Forest Your Madness is free.
Photo. Not be juju be that. I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Will you keep quiet? Chai, there is God. Oh.
Mom jeans plus dad jeans equals to
Bombastic side eye.
If this is true, then Justin Bieber is my biological mother.
Viewers, let's watch this video.
Look at it. To look like we're a couple.
You are joking.
Yes, couple of friends.
Emotional, damn it.
Sorry.
Fear the woman. If you know fear the woman, you die fast.
Viewers,
so you're welcome. You're here for your test results.
Doctor, I am here for my test result.
Okay.
Hold on. You see, looking at the epidemiology, pathophysiology, and prognosis of the furore of your titanic lodging malady and pyrexia febricity.
Jesus.
So what you're suffering from, which means your predicament is neuralgia, cephalgia, and hemicrania, and it has disintegrated your basal ganglia, hypothalamus, hippocampus, cerebrum and cerebellum, and your encephalon.
All this sickness for only me?
That is why your brain pan and cranium is submerged in a holly-bolly hub, jumbo-tumbo, muddle, mayhem, and bedlam.
Calm down, make him finish. You know say you get hypertension. Doctor, I beg, continue.
No, don't be in a gallimaufry of hodgepodge, humdrum, conundrum, and pandemonium because it is devoid of familial hypobeta, proprotemia, and pneumonotra microscopy silicovolcanoconiosis.
Jesus. Doctor, all this sickness for only me. I'm not sure say I will survive.
Ah, he don't die. This hypertension go don't kill him.
Jesus!
Doctor, he said the sickness wey you call too plenty for him. Say no think say he go fit survive am.
Which sickness? From what I said from the test result, he does not have any sickness. The only thing he have is just ordinary headache. Ah! Which sickness?
Now only headache can be all this grammar wey you speak so. You don't kill my brother with grammar.
Jesus.
You don't kill this man with grammar.
Gaga to an gaga.
Husband! What's going on here?
It's the devil.
And what is this you're doing?
No, I don't know how this thing happened. That's the devil just
How could you do this to me?
It is the devil's work.
What is he saying?
And who is this woman?
No, it is the devil. She's the devil.
It's the devil.
No, it's the devil. So me, I don't know. You are complaining and the devil has did this thing and I'm saying it's the devil and you have to do
Any English?
No, why should I speak English?
Well, because English is kind of international, isn't it?
Yeah, but Chinese is international too, right?
Do you speak Chinese?
Oh yeah, I speak very standard Chinese.
Where are you from in China?
Northeast part of China.
外国人在中国竟然被外语欺负了。
Do you speak any English?
พูดอะไรเนี่ยเป็นภาษาไทยได้แล้วไหม
Hallo? Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Hallo, ich kann ein bisschen Deutsch sprechen, aber nicht so fließend. Ma che cazzo vuoi dire? Sinceramente non ho tempo di parlare con te qui. Devo andare, lavoro. E quindi che cazzo vuol dire?
我查一下这什么说的。
내가 시간이 없어. 뭐가 검색하는 거야? 뭐 어떡해? 왜? 한국말 못해요?
Where are you
from? Let me help you out here. Do you speak any English?
Hi. What are you looking at?
Absolutely nothing.
Are you the 搞笑女?
No, I have a boyfriend. You're really easy to amuse.
I'm a simple man.
Shows.
Where are you from?
Dongbei.
So what are you doing in Beijing still?
What are you doing in Beijing still?
Your family's here.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Why are you asking? That's a lot of questions.
I am the guy Liuza. I don't know if you heard.
You look more like a Arshaston.
Hey guys, do you speak any English? Sprechen Sie Deutsch? What'd you say? Verstehst du kein Deutsch? Is that French? Are you guys trying to speak French to me?
Sure. Silva.
Ride with the mob, alhamdulillah. Check you and me, and do your job.
Do you speak any English?
Ne tiene que lecerando.
¿Estás hablando español?
Ne español. Esperando estas la internacional lingvo, kiu estis kreita de doktoro Zamenhof el Pollando en la jaro 1887. Ĉu vi ne scias Esperanton? Vi eĉ ne aŭdis pri tio? 嗨，反正跟你说你也听不懂，拜拜了您。
What's up? How you doing?
我
What's up?
你講咩啊？哇！
普通话可以。
當然啦，
普通話
北京啊，普通話。
可以教我别的语言吗？
那当然啦，你要什么语言，我这边全都有啊。
Así Karimil, ya 30.000, ven 30 por la calle, Bellardi, por cari trondos poncos, cuando le pari menes, pari macari peria, la buffare guacamole, vagaboo.
这是什么？
这个嘛。
What's this?
Banana.